In this video I'm gonna show you how to zoom in video on Inshot Video Editing App. For this, watch the full video. First, open your Inshot Video Editing App. Tap on Video, then tap on New. Now, you have to select your video. After select your video, tap on the canvas icon at the Tools RAW. From here, first tap on No Frame. Then you will see a white line at the top. You have to swipe this line to the right side for zoom in. Swipe it to the left for zoom out. Also, you can try it by your fingers. Use your 2 fingers to zoom it, like this. After zoom in your video, tap on check mark icon. Following this simple procedure, you can zoom in or zoom out your videos by Inshot app. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the full video.